Stars are tracing the sky like city windows. I watch you reflect in your eyes.
Okay. Woe! Brandon, my lief. Die dag toe ek jou ontmoet het ek geen idee gehad hoe baie kleur jy my lewe sou bring nie.
Vandag, hier voor almal wat vir ons lief is, wil ek my hart vir jou gee. In woorde, in beloftes en in dade.
Jy is my beste vriend, my veilige plek, my skouer, my oor en boonop dit, my grootste seën.
Ek weet die lewe gaan nie altyd maklik wees nie, maar ek beloof om altyd langs jou te staan. Hand aan hand, hart teen hart, deur elke seisoen.
Ek is so dankbaar dat ek jou gekies het en boonop dit jy my gekies het. Ek sien uit om jou vir die res van ons lewens, elke dag, keer op keer te kies.
I'm not sure if I even really know me. Something in you feels like myself. There's a way I see you in this moment. I will hold it all of my life. And I'm feeling like it was only you. And I'm feeling like you were something I won't lose. You were a part of me. I swear you'll always be. I swear you'll always be a part of me.
Vandag beloof ek om jou elke dag te kies, nie net wanneer dit maklik is nie, maar veral wanneer dit moeilik is. Om nie net 'n man vir jou te wees nie, maar ook jou beste vriend, jou sielsgenoot en jou veilige hawe. Ek is lief vir jou.
Jy is my hartklop, my geluk, my elke dag. Vandag beloof ek kies jou. Vandag, môre en elke dag daarna. My skat, ek het jou lief met my hele hart en my hele siel.
You were a part of me. I swear you'll always be. I swear you'll always be a part of me. You were a part of me. I swear you'll always be. I swear you'll always be a part of me. Finally feeling better, lighter than a feather. Got the magic and it feels like a dream. We wake up in the morning, California calling, got the summer dancing under